Montevideo has a population of 2 million people.
All this time, I've been holding on so tight, 'cause all that I
Uruguay has a population of 4 million people.
do is easy to use. So call my time, but you weren't really mine, just something to do.
Montevideo is the capital of Uruguay and the largest city in Uruguay.